How to change background in Edits and Instagram app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, you can create a new project where you want to change the background. You can tap on this plus button. It'll let you access the photos and videos in your gallery. So first of all, you need to choose the image which you want to use for the background. So select the picture for your background. Tap on this check mark in the top right corner. Now this is gonna be the background for your post. Next up, you need to add the main picture in this. So here in this bottom toolbars, you can see this overlay option. Now select the main picture that you want to add. Again, tap on this check mark. And there you go. You can adjust this photo over here. You can even tap on your background image and you can adjust this as well. If you want to change this background image, you can tap on this delete option over here and select for a new photo which you want to set as a background. Once you are done with all the edits and adjusting, if you want to save this, you can tap on this export button in the top right corner. And that's it. That's how you can easily change background in Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.